The Charles and Keith NH10 on the road Spring Summer 2015 brings forth a new momentum in the creation of an eclectic collection with hymns classics. A Bollywood diva, a fashionista, and now a producer. The list of her talents and versatility is a never-ending one. She plays the gorgeous Anushka Sharma. Anushka, you look stunning. Or maybe, if I may say so, stunning is an understatement. Anyway, we've been seeing the promos of your new film NH10 and they've been garnering a lot of positive response. So, would you like to share your valuable experiences with us on the film?
What? No, we're really happy with the response that we've got. It's been very promising. The trailer hit heavy views very quickly within 48 hours. So we're very happy. The film is up to release on 13th. And now we're just geared up for the release and hoping that everyone enjoys the film as much as we did.
The Spring Summer collection is more of an on-the-move collection, just like the one you're seen to be wearing in the film. So would you like to throw some light on the same? More of an on-the-move collection like the one you've been seeing. Right. And you're wearing such clothes in the film and shoes. So would you like to throw some light on that?
It's a great match, and it goes with our film. So we're happy with this association, and I hope people like the collection as much as we did, right?
Now, without wasting any time, would you like to unveil the collection, please?
Personally, I wear a lot of flats, and I think I always say that you give a girl a pair of flats and she can conquer the world. So
and she can go flat.
No, she can conquer the world and make people go flat. That's why I think all the girls who work will agree with this. You know, we need trendy flat shoes because we're always on the run, and I personally love them. So I'm really happy that the collection is really has a good collection of flats. It's nice.
So you're not a very brogues and ballerina kind of a person, are you?
I like that also. I'm a huge shoe fetish, so I love shoes in any case. I love all kinds of shoes. But they're more practical, you know, flat shoes. And if they're trendy like the ones that we see here, then there's nothing like it. Actually, my look is very regular. If you look at it, I mean, it's just a ganji and a hoodie, it's something that can be really. I mean, any girl on the streets would dress like that. So it's really pertaining to that, because the entire film is, you know, very realistic and it's very organically portrayed whatever is done. So are the clothes and the way I look and hair and makeup and everything. I think everyone can take something away from this. It's something that, yes, the protagonist of the film is a woman, but this is something what happens in the film can happen to anybody who has traveled on the roads in India, and you know anybody can get into a situation like this, and I think that's what's amazing about the film. And it is about a personal struggle. You know, how far can you get pushed till you decide to give back. So I think that's something that's I thought was very special, which I think people would feel when they watch the film.
I'm sure everyone here is excited and curious, and everyone has questions to ask Anushka. So I throw open the session to our audience to ask Anushka one by one.